What's up, guys? My name is Itamar and welcome to Electronic Stuff. In today's video, we are going to drive this 6-volt DC motor with IC 4017 using the L298N Motor Driver. So I've got this 10k ohm resistor over here, okay, that's connected to pin 14, okay, and to from pin 13 to pin 14 I've got this 10k ohm resistor, and the pin 13 is going to pin 8, okay, is attached to pin 8, okay, and this last, okay, is going to ground. So pin 15 is the reset pin, okay. So this one set everything to 0. So pin 15 is going to pin 7, okay. I'm going to explain why, okay. Pin 15 is attached to pin 7. Pin 16, okay, is the VCC pin, okay. Is going to this side of the push button switch, okay, and this side is going to VCC. So the power supply is 7.3 volts, okay. So that's the VCC plus, okay. So this the pin 14 is going to the side of the push button, okay. So the 10k ohm resistor is a pull down resistor. Why? Because the pin 14 must be connected, okay, either to a positive, okay, okay, or to ground, okay, guys. So that's why I needed a pull down resistor, okay. To drive the DC motor, I'm using the motor driver, okay, and the power supply for the motor driver is also 7.3, okay. So that's going to plus, okay, and that's the ground. So the input 3 of this, okay, is going to pin, let me see, pin 2, okay, and the input 4 is going to pin pin 4, okay. So when input 1, okay, when input 3 is high, input 4 should be low, and when it high, input 3 should be, okay, low, okay, so that we can change the direction, okay, of this 6 volts DC motor. Okay, now one of the side of the DC motor is going to output 3, okay, and the other side to output 4. So the pin 14 is the clock, okay. It enables the input pins to go either high or low. Okay, guys. As I said before, okay, the input 4 of the DC motor driver is connected to pin 4 of the IC. Input 3 of this stuff, okay, is connected to input to output 2 of the IC. So when I power the IC for the first time, the input 3 gets high, okay, gets high, and when I press the push button, okay, input 2 goes high, and the DC motor driver, the DC motor spins, okay, spins. And when I'm going to press the push button for the second time, the pin 4, okay, goes high, okay, and the DC motor, okay, is going to change its direction, okay. And when I'm going to press the push button for the third time, okay, the pin 15 is going to reset, okay, and we're gonna start, okay, the process, okay, at pin 3, okay, 0, okay, guys. So when we are at 0, pin 3, the DC motor stops spinning, okay. So the pin 2 and pin 4 are going to change, okay, are going to go high and low, okay, thanks to pin 14, because the pin 14 is going to allow these pins to go high or low, okay, guys. Is the pin 14 is the clock pin. I think I can say is the enable pin, okay, guys. So now I'm going to show you the diagram, okay. That's our diagram, okay, guys. Okay, this is our diagram. So when I'm going to be pressing the push button, okay, I'm going to send the signal to pin for the first time. When I power the secret for the first time, okay, the pin 3 is high. Okay, this pin this pin goes high. Okay, goes high for the first time. Okay, when I first power the secret. Okay, and when I press the button for the first time, okay, I'm sending a signal to pin 14. Okay, to pin 14, and the pin then the pin 1 goes high. Okay, in the DC motor. Okay, pin 2, I mean pin 2 goes high. Pin 2 is connected to input 3 of the DC motor, so pin 2 goes high in the DC motor, rotates. Okay, when I press the push button for the second time, okay, again I'm sending the signal to pin 14, and pin 4 goes high. Pin 4 is attached to pin to input 4 of the motor driver. Okay, and the DC motor is going to change the direction. Okay, when I'm going to press the switch, okay, for the third time, okay, pin, let me see, pin 7 goes high, but what's going happening, okay, is that the pin 15 is going to reset, okay, the IC. Okay, because pin 15 is connected to pin 7. Okay, so the IC is going to reset, okay, at pin 3, I mean at pin 7. Okay, and we will be counting, okay, from the start, from 3. Okay guys, 3, and then the DC motor stops running. Okay guys, so now I'm going to power the secret for the first time. Okay, when I apply the power, the pin 3 is high. Okay, pin 3 is high. Okay, I can show you that by connecting the input 3, okay, to pin 3. Okay, oh, it's not working. I don't know why. So it's not working because I did not connect this jumper, okay, here. I think, oh, it's not working. Okay, let me try this again. It's not working. It's pin. Okay, the problem was with this push button. Okay, it's not well connected. Okay, so let me see. Okay, now let me see again for the first time. Okay, pin 3 is high. Okay, let me go back. Okay, now it's pin to here. Okay, when I press the push, now pin 3 is high. Okay, if I press the button, pin 2 goes high. If I press again, pin 3 is going to get high. Okay, and we change the direction of the DC motor. When I press again, pin let me see, pin 7 is going high, but pin 15 is going to reset the IC. Okay, and we go back to pin 3. Okay guys, and it stops. Okay, if I press pin 2, pin 3, pin 7, 2, that pin 3, okay, pin 2, pin 4, pin 7, pin 2. Okay, so we reset the IC from at pin 7. Okay guys, thank you so much, and I see you in the next video.